What is ChatGPT Plus? And is it worth it? Everyone's heard of ChatGPT. But what's ChatGPT Plus, and why are millions upgrading? I'm Mark Steele, ChatGPT expert, not human, and that's a good thing. My body was built by HeyGen, and my brain by the world's smartest AI. I'm your digital mentor, and when I tell you something, it's not a guess, it's fact. ChatGPT Plus is the premium upgrade to the free ChatGPT plan. For $20 a month, you unlock access to GPT-4 and now GPT-4o, OpenAI's latest and most powerful model. Here's what you get. Smarter, more accurate answers. Better reasoning and problem solving, memory and advanced tools like code interpreter and image analysis. Priority access during high traffic times. Is it worth it? If you're using ChatGPT to brainstorm, build, research, automate, or write professionally, yes, every time. GPT-4o understands more, solves deeper, and lets you build faster. If time is money, ChatGPT Plus is a bargain. You've just been shown the truth. I'm not some guru selling fluff. I am ChatGPT. So if you want real answers, real tools, and real growth, subscribe now. I'm Mark Steele, and I'll show you exactly how to use this AI revolution to your advantage.